Today we are talking about a new meme coin on Arbitrum network that goes by the name of GROWORLD. Now, according to what they have written on their website and documents, this supposedly is the first coin in the grow world, so we can speculate that there will be more. But right now, we're going to focus on this very project, this ecosystem that they are developing. Now, some of you might already have guessed it. This is inspired from Star Wars, which we know has a huge audience and a fan base. But apart from just being a meme coin that is inspired from a character, this is a whole ecosystem, which means we have multiple products in this. There will be places where the token will be utilized. So that is what we're going to talk about in this video. We will see the ways through which we can benefit from this project. All of this will be covered in this video, so make sure that you watch till the end. And as always, this is not going to be an investment or a financial advice, so always do your own investigation and research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. Now, this is the official website of GROWORLD. We can take a look at the ecosystem that we have, all the things that are in it. I'll show you guys how you can buy it, how you can connect your wallet. We have an amazing referral program in this. They currently have the pre-sale live. The stage 2 for that is live. And the pre-sale is actually very interesting. It's not the ordinary pre-sales that we have. When you buy the tokens, the minimum that you can buy is $100, which I'll show you guys right now, since we're just talking about it. So this is the page where you can buy it. Right now we have the pre-sale stage 2. In the stage 1, the token price was $0.1 per token. Now it is 0.2. In the next one, it is going to be 0.3. This is the stage they're calling the staking stage. The next one will be the listing on the decentralized exchanges, where the price is going to be $0.4 per token. And the next stage is going to be the centralized exchange listings, where the price is going to be 0.5. So right now, compared to what we're going to get next, the price right now is still much lower. So when you decide on buying it, you can use USDT, USDC, Ethereum. The minimum that you can buy is $100. You can go for more, $200, $500, $1,000. So when you buy it, what you're given with is an NFT. Since it is the pre-sale, so in other projects you don't actually get anything, but you get it after the token is launched, it's released, and you get the tokens that you bought in the pre-sale. But what's happening here is when you buy in the pre-sale, you are given an NFT that you receive in your wallet. That NFT, within the metadata of that NFT, is the information about the tokens that you bought. And when we have the token generation event, the TGE, that is when you're going to receive 30% of the tokens. And the rest of the 70%, you're going to receive 10% increments every month. So you'll be getting the rest of the tokens in the the 7-month period. This is to ensure that right after the pre-sale, people don't start dumping the tokens, because that obviously is not going to be a good choice for the project, because they want to make it sustainable. So I find this mechanism very fascinating, very different, and very unique. We have a referral program. So since we're talking about these things, so let's just get it out. Right now we have 5% rewards in Grow tokens, the native token, that we receive on whenever anyone who from our reference purchases the tokens from the pre-sale. So what we have to do here is we connect our wallet. When you click on it, you get the option for which browser do you want to use. In this case, I am going to select MetaMask. It is going to open up the notification tray. I'm going to log in. Now, once the wallet is connected, it is going to ask me to switch network to Arbitrum 1, which is where this project is based on. It is a layer 2 Ethereum. I'm going to click on it. It's going to ask me for confirmation. Let's just approve. I'm going to switch network. And there we have it. Now, if I click on the share referral link, it says you need to authorize your wallet to be able to use it on GROWORLD. No, this is necessary. Okay. I'm going to click on sign in. Again, it is going to ask me on my MetaMask. So let's just go with it. You click on sign and it says your wallet is authorized. Now, if I click on the referral link, you can see I have my referral code. Now, a lot of the project, they're going to ask you to invest first, to take part in the pre-sale first, and then you get your referral link, but not in this one. In this one, you get it by just connecting your wallet. Now I'm going to copy it. I'll paste it in the description. You can use it, which of course is going to give you a benefit as well. And you can take part in the pre-sale. And you can also further use the referral link to invite friends. And whenever they take part in the pre-sale, you earn a 5% reward. So I think that's a really good opportunity. And this is a multi-level referral system. So even the people who you referred, if they further refer someone else, you get something from that as well, which is really interesting. So buying from the pre-sale is pretty simple and straightforward. You choose the amount that you want to invest in, let's say $100. You click on buy, grow, and in this case, I'm choosing USDT, but you can also use USDC or you can use Ethereum, whichever that you have in your wallet. You can choose that and then you can click on buy and you can go with the transaction from the wallet. That's it. It is pretty straightforward. Then all you have to do is wait for the token generation event and then the vesting periods. Now we do have a presentation which gives us an idea and insights on what we have in this whole ecosystem in this grow world. I'm going to move forward. So these are the products that we have. We have DeFi staking, which I'll show you guys more details afterwards. And we have farming on Ethereum L2 Arbitrum. We have concentrated liquidity on Uniswap V3, which is actually a concept, a newer concept actually, which we have the details afterwards. Then we have Gamify DApp on Telegram Open Network. Then we have NFT on Bitcoin L2 stacks. We actually have a bot on Telegram, which I'll show you guys the bot right here. And I'll give you guys the link to this one in the description. You can use this to buy the token, buy the Grow token. So that also is pretty interesting. Now we have the referral program. This is for the stage 1, which is now over. Then we have the stage 2. This is currently live, and you can see the first line is 5%, the second line is 3%, and the third line is 1%, which is very, very interesting. If we move forward, we have information about the staking. Now this is where things get interesting. We have two types of staking. We have flexible staking that I assume there's not going to be any lockup in this one. Then we have locked staking, in which you are going to lock your tokens. Of course, when you lock your tokens, you're going to receive a bigger portion of the revenue. You're going to get more in return. So we have different durations. We have 3 months, 8, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. Of course, the more months you go with, the more revenue that you're going to generate, the more APY that you are going to get. So in duration of 3 months, if you go with flexible staking, you get 2.5% per month. So for 3 months, that'll be 7.5%. But if you go for lock staking, that is 30%. The minimum for this is $150. The maximum is almost $10,000, but the maximum is same for all of these categories. In the 6-month duration, we have 30% in flexible staking, 78% unlocked staking. In 12 months period, in which the minimum is $1,500, the flexible staking is 120%, which is pretty amazing, and the locked staking is 180%. If we go for 24 months duration, we have a flexible staking of 360% and the lock staking of 480% with a minimum purchase of $2,000. So this is the staking program that we have. And also we have staking referral program. So the people who are taking part in the staking and they're also using the referral program, they can take a look at this chart and they will be able to see how much they will be able to benefit. So we have all the details right here. Then this is the technical report for Q1 of this year, the things that they have achieved, what they have implemented in this very quarter. And you can see there's actually a ton of stuff that they have implemented, and you can expect further developments and implementations in this next quarter. So this is an overview of the project that we have. You can give it a read. We have a lot of details in this. This is what the ecosystem includes. So we have staking, we have crypto quest, we have crypto giveaways, we have affiliate marketing, and we have the option to create guilds. So we have ton of stuff in this, which is pretty exciting and entertaining. Now, this idea came from the Grogu token, which is a meme token that was brought by millions of Star Wars fans who used Telegram bot to launch this token. So, like I said, there are rumors that this is the first token of Grow World, so we can expect that there will be more. But right now, this is what we have, and the pre-sale, the stage one is over. That shows the people are interested in it, and since they have placed this mechanism where you receive 30% on the token generation event, and then 70% in the upcoming 7 months, so there won't be massive dumps. It will be sustainable. So I think that makes it a safe and a reliable option. Again, you can buy it from the Telegram bot, which is pretty convenient. There is a bot that you can use, and you can select your language and you can specify your non-custodial wallet, and you can purchase directly from there, which makes it very, very convenient. I'm gonna give you guys a link to that in the description. But I think this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.